When you hear something like that, like after you hear that word, everything kind of just goes dark and Good morning. We toast peanut butter, banana, and dark chocolate chips. And then I'm having some coffee with the Premier Protein. So I'm gonna eat that. It's pretty early, it's 6:30. Eat this and get dressed and get ready and see if I can work out. We have a little play thing we're going to, so I'm gonna try to do everything. Okay, so I finished breakfast and then I just put some makeup and do my hair. I just have workout clothes on. Yeah, so just workout clothes, and my daughter's awake, so I'm gonna take care of her and then get a quick workout in before we have to take off for our little play date. I'm going to put some laundry in, and I'm just gonna use this. My daughter had her breakfast and I'm going to start my workout. So I don't take any pre-workout. I just have coffee in the morning, but this while I do workout. So this is BCAAs by Stance, and it's the raspberry pineapple flavor, and it's kind of like fruit punch. Alright, so that is what I'm going to drink while I work out. My daughter's going to come into the garage with me. She's in a stroller. Since we have to be there at 10, I'm just going to do weights today. But usually I will do 15 minutes on this max trainer, or we'll go for a walk afterwards. So I'm just going to do my weights and get it over with. So my workout took me 21 minutes. And I burned about 88 calories. I kind of rushed through it just because we have to get ready. We're all showered and changed and ready to go. I'm gonna eat this one protein bar on my way there. It's a maple glazed donut, and I will try to get as much footage as possible. Whatever I can get, and we'll go from there. We're a little early, so I just wanted to kind of talk about where I've been. My last video was in February, and just early February we all got this really bad like chest infection, and like boom, one right after another. I know that's how it works, but we were all sick for probably most of the month. It was not fun. Of course, that whole month I was just trying to get better and help everyone else get better. Then in March, I had gotten a biopsy on my back of 2 moles that my doctor wanted to take off anyways. One came back positive for melanoma, and it was stage 1A, which is basically on the surface. So he called me, I was in the store, and I remember hearing melanoma. I've had it before, and it was I had it 5 years ago. When he told me, it just, like, I kind of remember the process last time, but when you hear something like that, it just kind of makes everything like, after you hear that word, everything kind of just goes dark and you can't really hear anything else. So basically, after that phone call, I had to schedule a surgery, and the same thing that they did on my arm, they removed tissue around the area. For some reason, for those 2 weeks or whatever it was, I just had so much fear and anxiety. I was thinking that I had this cancer in me that could grow at any minute, and it was just a very terrifying time. Looking back, I probably should have called my doctor to explain everything. When I went to get the surgery, well, they told me it was surgery. It was actually just a consultation, and I just lost it. I started crying because the surgeon was just there to consult me, and I had thought that we were gonna get it removed, and I just told her, I was like, I just want this off of me, get it off of me. And she told me that it was already removed, it was gone, and what they're doing is basically like an insurance type of thing, just to get rid of all the tissue around there so it doesn't come back in that area. So they scheduled me again for a week later, and I got it done. But those like 2 weeks was just like fear. I couldn't do anything. It was just bad. It just affected me a lot mentally. I didn't want to do anything with YouTube. I didn't want to go on there. I just needed a break from social media, Instagram, all that. I didn't want to do any of it. It kind of just carried over. Like, I meant to do this video so many times. I just couldn't get past of like, why are you going back and doing this? What's the point? Your channel's so small. Like, just all these like negative thoughts just kept coming and coming, and I just kind of decided, you know what, I'm gonna do it. If I can't stop thinking about it, I'm just gonna do it. I'm back. My channel will pretty much be the same. I'll still do cleaning videos, but right now my focus in general is my weight loss. If you want to follow me on that, I have probably another 40 to 30 pounds to lose. So that's kind of where I'm at, of where I've been. I'm thankful that it's all over, to the point where, you know, it was nice to have a little break, but I miss this. I miss filming and editing and having a connection with a lot of you. I don't know how frequently I'll be uploading, but I'm not quitting, and I really thought about quitting. Something inside me just said, no, don't quit, keep going, start over, whatever it is, but don't stop. So I'm okay, I'm good now, it's over, and you know, thank God that it's gone, but it just really beat me down for a time there. But yeah, we're gonna get ready to go inside now. It was a lot of fun. It was a really big area. It had like a jumper in there, big like a play ball pit type of thing, arts and crafts, like different like toddler areas. So it was a lot of fun. We're gonna go home. It's her nap time. Tickets are good until 5, so yeah, it's close to home and keeps her entertained. So we might. She's napping. I'm going to make some lunch and just kind of relax because I'm a little exhausted from this morning. Lunch is very basic today. Just making a quesadilla with these tortillas, and we add a little bit of this. Yeah, that place was big, and chasing her around, I am a little tired, so I'm not making a crazy fancy lunch today. This is it. And I'm gonna put it on my fancy plate. And that's lunch. She's having a snack right now, and then we're gonna go back to the little jungle place. I'm gonna get probably a half calf coffee. We stopped by Bath and Body Works. My candle. This one I've had since this fall. It's almost over, so I want to get a new one for like summertime. Yeah, we're gonna go back now. Okay, so I let her play for about an hour. I had some coffee. It was a lot of fun. I did stop by Bath and Body Works. I got 2 candles. They were 2 for $18. Had Black Cherry Merlot, which is one of my favorite scents. It's a really great scent. And then I got Mahogany Coconut. I thought it would be a good scent for summertime. Anything coconut makes me think of summer. I'm gonna go home and just kind of hang out. I'm gonna make an easy dinner. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate any viewers and any subscribers that I have. Like I said earlier, I want to continue this and see where it goes. Any support for my channel is greatly appreciated. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you made it this far, awesome. Thank you again. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.